New HD Skin, the undetectable foundation. Our top makeup artists pushing the boundaries of complexion.
In the process of relaunching our Ultra HD foundation, the main challenge is to succeed to an already extraordinary formula.
I recruit our expert makeup artists from all over the world. They put their strong expertise to co-create the formula and shades that everyone dreams of.
HD 스킨은 자연스러운 피부 표현을 완성할 수 있는 완벽한 포뮬러입니다.
Mon mot d'ordre, c'était me concentrer principalement sur l'effet lissant. Je vais observer les pores de mes modèles à la loupe.
The biggest thing is about having the right color palette for your face.
Trouver la nuance parfaite pour maquiller les peaux les plus foncées.
HD Skin shade range has been created for Asian beauty standard. We adjust each shade down to the pigment to make sure that they don't turn yellow.
This requires a cutting-edge formula that withstands extreme conditions for 24 hours, such as water, sweat, heat and friction.
J'ai quand même pas mal transpiré et ça tient.
After swimming and drying my face with a towel, my complexion stays perfect and even.
拍照的话呢，就是几乎都有看起来就是有美颜的效果。
Настоящий унисекс тональное средство, которое никогда не раскроет секрет вашего макияжа.
This new formula achieves powerful correction that is undetectable.
En bref, j'adore, je valide.